Best resume templates for job seekers. Choosing the best resume templates is an important step for job seekers who want to present their qualifications in a clear, professional, and appealing way. Just as customizing a resume for each job ensures alignment with employer expectations, selecting the right template ensures that the document is structured, readable, and effective. Understanding how templates function and which designs work best is essential for anyone navigating the competitive hiring process. A resume template provides a framework for organizing information. Its primary function is to guide the applicant in presenting work experience, education, and skills in a logical and visually consistent manner. Unlike a resume built entirely from scratch, a template saves time and reduces the risk of formatting errors. The best templates allow recruiters and applicant tracking systems to quickly interpret the information. The structure of an effective resume template is straightforward. Standard sections such as work experience, education, and skills are clearly labeled, and spacing is balanced to ensure readability. Preferred templates use clean fonts, consistent margins, and simple layouts. Overly decorative designs or heavy graphics may look appealing, but often confuse recruiters and automated systems. The best templates balance visual appeal with clarity. Different types of templates serve different purposes. Chronological templates highlight career progression by listing roles in reverse order, making them ideal for candidates with steady work histories. Functional templates emphasize skills and competencies, which is useful for those with limited experience or career gaps. Combination templates merge both approaches, showcasing skills while also presenting a timeline of employment. Each type has its strengths, and the choice depends on the applicant's background. Content within a template must still be tailored to the job description. While the design provides structure, the applicant must ensure that achievements, keywords, and relevant experiences are emphasized. A generic resume, even with a polished template, may fail to capture attention. Templates are tools for organization, but personalization remains essential. Formatting choices within templates also influence effectiveness. Professional fonts such as Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman ensure readability. Font sizes should remain consistent, typically between 10 and 12 points for body text. Clear headings, bullet points, and standard margins maintain a polished appearance. Templates should avoid excessive colors or symbols, as these can reduce compatibility with applicant tracking systems. Simplicity and consistency remain the guiding principles. Adaptability is another key advantage of templates. Many modern designs allow sections to be rearranged or customized depending on the role. Templates can be adjusted to reflect industry norms, making them versatile tools for job seekers across different fields. The importance of resume templates reflects broader changes in recruitment. Employers often receive large volumes of applications, and presentation matters as much as content. A well-structured resume is easier to scan, increasing the likelihood that key qualifications are noticed. Templates help applicants achieve consistency and professionalism, ensuring that their resumes are both accessible and appealing. They also reduce the risk of formatting mistakes, which can undermine credibility. Despite these advantages, templates share similarities with traditional resumes. Both require careful organization, both benefit from clarity, and both must be updated regularly. Whether using a template or designing from scratch, attention to detail remains crucial. Errors, inconsistencies, or outdated information can diminish the effectiveness of the resume. In this sense, templates are not replacements, but enhancements, providing structure while leaving room for personalization. The best resume templates balance clarity, professionalism, and adaptability. Unlike generic formats, they emphasize design and organization but still need customization to fit each job and employer. By choosing the right type of template, maintaining professional formatting, and tailoring content to specific roles, applicants can create resumes that resonate with both software and recruiters. Mastering the use of templates is essential in today's competitive job market, where presentation and precision play a central role in hiring. Understanding these principles not only clarifies the function of templates, but also empowers individuals to navigate the application process with confidence and effectiveness. A clean, consistent design communicates seriousness and competence, which can boost self-assurance during the application process. The best resume templates act as a launchpad for success, turning the overwhelming task of resume writing into a simple, empowering process. They motivate job seekers to showcase their skills with confidence and clarity, helping them pursue new opportunities with professionalism and ease.